Welcome to the Pacsana installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up your Pacsana bracelet and gateways step by step. Before we begin, please make sure that you have everything that you need. A smartphone with the Pacsana Configurator app installed. You'll also need the PIN for this app, sent to you by our support team. The home's Wi-Fi name and password, along with the 2 gateways and the Pacsana bracelet included in your kit. Step 1. Connect your smartphone to the home Wi-Fi network. You'll find the Wi-Fi name and password printed on the bottom of the broadband router. Step 2. Power on the bracelet. Remove the module from the back of the bracelet, then press and hold the button for 10 seconds until the LED light comes on. Next, record the bracelet's serial number for your installation record. Your bracelet ID can be found on your module. You will also need to record the BT ID printed on your living room gateway. This ensures accuracy when setting up and troubleshooting later. You will need to record the BT ID for each gateway and indicate where each was placed. Step 3. Choose where you'd like to place the living room gateway. Ideally, you want to choose a location within 3 walls of the router and away from outside walls to maximize coverage. Plug in the gateway. The light should flash green. If necessary, reset the gateway by holding the button for 10 seconds until it restarts and flashes green again. Now open the Pacsana Configurator app on your phone. Enter the PIN number we mentioned earlier. Select Add Devices, then select the living room gateway. Enter the Wi-Fi details in the app. The gateway will connect, first flashing blue, then turning solid blue. You'll see progress in the app as the connection is established. If this fails, please check to ensure your Wi-Fi name and password are correct. Now enter your name. This identifies who completed the installation. Select the gateway location in the app. In the Remarks field, add the client's name. Within a few seconds, the bracelet pings will appear, confirming the connection. You're now free to leave this screen. If this was done successfully, then your gateway should no longer display any flashing or solid lights. Step 4. Repeat the same process to install the second gateway in the bedroom. If possible, place it within 3 feet of the pillow on the exit side of the bed so that bed exits can be counted. For larger homes, you may need to install additional gateways to ensure complete coverage. Gateways typically extend through 2 walls in any direction. Finally, secure the Pacsana bracelet to the user's wrist. Loop the strap through from above, then insert the clasp from below for a comfortable fit. Congratulations! Your Pacsana system is now ready to use. To complete the setup, please fill in the installation form so that our team can create the user profiles. For additional support, please contact Pacsana at the details shown on the screen. Thank you for watching.